computer memory and storage devices. We all know that a computer performs various operations such as input, processing, and output with the help of various hardware devices. All these devices are connected to the CPU. The devices which are not part of the CPU but connect to it to add functionality are known as computer peripherals. A computer works only with two digits, 0 and 1. These are known as binary digits or bits. The data which we input into the computer is first converted into zeros and ones so that the computer can understand it. A computer language represented by bits is known as the binary language. Memory is the part of the computer which has the storage capacity and enables the computer to store data, instructions, and information in the computer. Data is described as the facts, figures, or words which we want the computer to work. Instructions can be described as the commands which instruct the computer to work on the given data. Information is the result or the output which is given by the computer. There are two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is the one in which the data, instructions, and information are stored inside the computer. This memory can be directly accessed by the CPU and is also called the internal memory. There are two types of primary memories: random access memory and read-only memory. Let us learn about them in detail. RAM is the kind of temporary memory which loses its data after power is off. It is also known as volatile memory. RAM is also called as the read-write memory. It can read information and also write on it. ROM is the memory that resides on the motherboard and can only be read, and thus known as the read-only memory. Since the data and instructions are stored in the ROM, even if the computer system is switched off, thus it is known as non-volatile memory. Nowadays, writable and erasable ROMs are also available. Programmable read-only memory, PROM. It is used for recording information. The information can be changed after recording. Erasable programmable read-only memory, EPROM. The data in the ROM can be erased easily using ultraviolet light. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, EEPROM. The data can be erased using electrical signals with help of this ROM. Secondary memory is the external memory and it stores the programs and data for future usage. It is also known as auxiliary memory. It is not directly accessible by the CPU and is non-volatile. The secondary storage has a much larger storage capacity. Hard disks, compact disks, DVDs, pen drives, memory cards are all secondary memory devices. A hard disk consists of one or more magnetic platters which are sealed inside a case. It is usually installed inside the computer's system unit, though there are removable or external hard disks also available. These can store a large amount of data such as 320 GB, 500 GB, 1 TB or even more. A compact disc or a CD-ROM consists of tracks and sectors as similar to the hard disks. A CD is inserted into hard disks. A CD is inserted into the CD drive of computer and has a storage capacity of about 700 MB. They are available in two main forms: CD-R, in which data or information once written cannot be erased, it can only be read, and CD-RW, in which data or information can be erased and written as many times as required. A digital versatile disc or a DVD is similar to a CD but has a storage capacity of 4.7 GB. A DVD-ROM drive is needed to read a DVD. A Blu-ray disc is similar to a CD and a DVD, but it has a larger storage capacity of up to 25 GB per layer. A system needs a Blu-ray reader to read it. A flash drive comes with various storage capacities such as 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, and so on. It is used to read, write, delete, or transfer the data. To use a flash drive, a USB port is needed in a computer.